Hi everybody, I am so excited. I'm outside. Number one, it is a gorgeous day here in Southern Ontario. And I think I had a 10-minute breakthrough. I have been working on this, I think 36 by 36 canvas. And I've been doing layers and I've been doing all of this, and I think I have photos. So I'll be able to put some up here and I think I can show you the progression. But for research, I do a lot of studying, I do a lot of looking, I do a lot of, what is stopping me on Pinterest and things like that. But let me flip the camera around, because I looked at a few things. I think I was inspired, and I came in this morning. I used a very floppy brush, not stiff at all, a really floppy brush, and I just went at it, because I think I'm getting the attitude of, there's a million layers on it, and there is trauma and emotion and all of those things that go with it when you're not doing something that you think should be wonderful, because you're an artist and your color. This I did in 10 minutes, this final layer. And what I'll do is I'll put up pictures of the progression of this piece to this, but let me flip the camera and show you. This is gonna be a really short video, because I feel like I'm just sharing with you some exciting thing that happened, and I just wanna say, look what happened in the studio. Okay, I have it lying on the ground. Look, I think what happened was I trusted myself. I used color with some abandon, and I trusted what I know. There are so many layers. Oh, we got some bicyclists going by. There are so many layers on this that if I show you really closely, you'll see so many layers. I did some scratching, and I think I will continue to do all that, because that adds such interest. But I came in today and I simply used a big floppy brush. It almost feels like kitten hair. And this is what happened. I think I had a breakthrough. I don't know. Tell me in the comments, do you love it? Do you think I did it? So then I had this piece on my plywood wall, and I've been doing lots and lots of layers. Oh, and here we're having interesting shadows from my garden, so you'll have to bear with that. But I went with that same red that I flopped on first, and I flopped on right in the middle of this canvas, so that, oh, the sun is illuminating. Look at that. I flopped on right in the middle of the canvas some of that red and paint to give a bigger area of your eye to rest, because I feel like I use a lot of smaller strokes and areas. I think this one kind of works too, and I can't wait to see what happens. So what I'm going to do with this one is a canvas. I'm going to take it to my framer. He's going to stretch it. I do think, because my goal in this whole thing was to look at I'm speechless. My goal for this whole thing was to learn oils. So I do think I'm going to have it stretched and go in and layer, but maybe with real determination and intention, versus trying to be loose with the oils. The oils might end up happening as a final layer to give thickness and depth on this. Oh my word, I just had to share with you today. I just had to share. Like, don't you think this would be an amazing pillow? Don't you think? Oh, So you got me at my most excited moment. I'm just thrilled. Nobody's home. My son-in-law is coming to work on a gate. I can't wait for him to come home. He's very artistic and I can't wait to show him. My husband's not home. I can't show him, and he doesn't care anyway. He'll be like, that's great. But can you guys give me your feedback? I'm looking for it, and I just am so excited. So I've got this, I'm building this body of abstracts that are very interesting to me now, because I've been doing it now for about, I don't even know how long. I don't think it's a year, but I don't know. And it's going to be this really interesting progression where I'm giving away the first ones and putting them in children's rooms and things like that, and growing. But that's what I wanted. I wanted to find my voice with abstracts. I have my voice in my normal painting, and that always evolves. There's always a new technique that I learn, and I might even take some of this, scratching and layering into that. But I think what finally happened today, now I can't guarantee it's going to happen tomorrow, but I think what happened today is I trusted myself and I just said, let me do this. So there you go, a short video for today. I hope you guys have a great day. Do something artsy, follow along. Let's get creative. Let's blow the top off this creative thing. Bye, everybody. Like and subscribe. Don't forget.